Good morning, student of class 9th. Previous day, we completed exercise 1.3 till question number 3, right? So we can discuss in question number 4. In question number 4, is given express 0.999 and so on in the form of p by q. Thereafter, are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer made sense. So first we can change in the form of p by q. Then after we discuss another things. Then see, we can assume in solution, we assume let x equal to 0.999 and so on. Means it is a equation number first till how many digits can be repeated? 9. Only one digit be repeated, so we can multiply both sides by 9. So write down here. Multiply both sides by 10. So we get 10x 1 because we can multiply by only 10. So one digit can be moved on left hand side. So 9.999 and so on. Question number 7. Next process we can write down here. Subtract equation number first in second. फर्स्ट को सेकंड में अपन सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट से सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया राइट से, सो वी गेट 10x minus x equal to 9.999 and so on minus 0.999 and so on. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट क्या हो गया 9, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे क्या हो जाएगा ओनली 9. Why? Let's see. 9.999 and 0.999. We get 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is a 9.0. Or after decimal continuing with 0. So it means all other will be 0. So we get x equal to 9 by 9. So x equal to 1. So students, this answer really very surprised because it is form of 1 by 1, that is a p by q. Okay. So students, also we discuss in question number 5. By the help of this, what can be maximum number of digits be in the repeating log of digits in the form. So first you can use long division process. You can divide it and then after you can search out how many number of digits can be repeated. Okay. So question number 5 and 6 do those. Next we write three numbers for decimal expansion are not repeating and non-repeating. Means three irrational numbers आपको write करने हैं. देखिए जरा question number 7 है. 7 question is given. Write three numbers whose decimal expansion that is non-terminating and non-terminating and non-repeating. So, student of class 9, all of you know that non-repeating and non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers. So, we give any three examples like this 1.73 and so on, 3.2564 and so on, 4.967 and so on. Well, you can write down any combination of any digits, but these are non-repeating and non-repeating. That's clear? So, students, we discuss one next question. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5/7 and 9/11. We have need to find out three irrational numbers between given rational numbers. How can we find out? Then see. Question number that is 8. In question number 8, we can find out here by changing in decimal expansion. Question number 8. 8th question is given. Find three different irrational number between the given two rational numbers. अब रेशनल नंबर्स हमारे पास क्या है 5/7 and 9/11. So all of you know that irrational number be non-repeating and non-repeating. Okay, so first we have need to change these both number in the decimal expansion form. Then after we can search out any three numbers that is lies between both numbers, and this is non-repeating and non-repeating. तो समझ जरा solution में देखते हैं. It is 5/7. In rougher you can change in decimal expansion. 0.0. 7 7 is 49. 1.0. 7 is 7. 3. Again decimal 0 7 4 is 28. 2 0 7 that is 7 7 2 is 14. 6.0 7 8 is 56. Again remember 4. That is a 40. 7 5 is 35. Again 5. Then repetition we do. Means we can write down here 0.71425 and again repetition below, that is 5. So this number is non-terminating but repeating, so this number is a rational number. Okay, then but this can be changed in decimal. Next is a 9/11. Again change करते हैं 11 divided by 1 0.0. 11 8 is 88. 2.0. 11 1 is 11. Again 9. 11 we see that this is a 0.8181 and so on, means 0. हाँ, so student class 9 डिस्कस कर रहे थे अपन ने इसको चेंज किया डेसिमल में. ये चेंज हुआ 5/7 0.71 इसको चेंज किया. तो 71 और 81 के बीच की आप कोई भी थ्री नंबर्स राइट करिए जो कि नॉन रिपीटिंग और क्या हो नॉन रिपीटिंग. तो तो जैसे 0.724856 ऐसे लिखो, 745679 लिख दिया, 765843 ऐसे, इस तरह आप कोई भी नंबर्स राइट कर सकते हैं। तो जो कि नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग और क्या हो, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग मतलब इरेशनल नंबर्स। ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट पे हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर, नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। समझ लो 9 क्वेश्चन पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे। 9 क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ नंबर्स गिवन है और उन नंबर्स को आपको क्या करना है, उन नंबर्स को आपको जज करना है रेशनल है या इरेशनल है। ठीक है, समझ लो वो नंबर रेशनल है या इरेशनल है वो आपको जज करनी है। तो देखिए जरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है, 9 क्या है, क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स दैट रेशनल और इरेशनल। क्वेश्चन दे दिया क्लासिफाई फॉलोइंग नंबर रेशनल और इरेशनल, रेशनल और इरेशनल। अब कुछ नंबर्स लाइक एस रूट ऑफ 23, समझे बच्चे, 23 is a prime number and that can be write down in square form. You know that for decimal expansion of this number is non-terminating and non-repeating, so it is a irrational number. Irrational, if decimal expansion of any number is non-terminating non-repeating, so it is irrational numbers. That's clear, पहली चीज। दूसरी, if number is terminating then it is rational, number is non terminating but repeating then it is rational. That's clear, like as in second part is given root of 15, क्या है square root 15, it is a 15/1 that is terminating, so this number is rational, this number is rational. We discuss in third part. Third part is given 0.3796. It is also terminating. It is also terminating. So it is rational. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट अपन बात करते हैं फोर्थ पॉइंट पे। फोर्थ पार्ट हमारे पास क्या है, फोर्थ पार्ट है 7.478 एंड नेगेटिव क्या आ गया 478, मतलब समझे ग्रुप है 478 group of digit is 3 group of digit can be repeated, means you can write down in this 7.478 bar. It is a non-terminating but repeating, so it is rational number, non-terminating but repeating rational and only terminating that can be rational. नेक्स्ट पे बात करते हैं अपन फिफ्थ पार्ट में। तो फिफ्थ पार्ट हमारे पास क्या है 1.101, फिर 001, फिर 001, फिर है 4 times 01 in this form. So we see that in first condition 01, 001, 001 means same group of digit cannot be repeated, so it means it is a non-terminating and non-repeating. If it is a non-terminating and non-repeating, so it is also be irrational. It is also be irrational. So student, in this way we complete exercise 1.3. नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस पे अगर हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो क्या रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ रियल नंबर ऑन द न्यूमर लाइन, मतलब हाउ कैन वी रिप्रेजेंट नॉट टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन। हम किसी भी नंबर लाइन पे नॉट टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं उस पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, तो उस पर डिस्कस करने से पहले, ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स that we can start on next day on next videos. Okay, how can we represent real number, irrational number on number line, that we discuss on next day on next class. Thank you so much.